Good to see things pretty much under control right now because we've seen some tough conditions on the roads overnight. This was video from Jacob's ride-in along 495 in Hopkinton.
And then just a bit further west in Worcester, they picked up about 6 inches of snow. That is one of the highest totals in the area. WBZ's Penny Commit is live there this morning with a look at the conditions. And Penny, we're so lucky it's a holiday because if this was a regular work day, it would be even worse.
That is absolutely right. And as you heard Jacob say, any snow that's on the ground right now is going to stay there. So while it stopped falling from the sky, now cleanup efforts are underway. Of course, a main focus anytime you're in Worcester is going to be the hills. This is Belmont Hill. This is notorious for some pretty rough driving when it gets slick outside. And look, you can see that it's been pretty much cleared and treated. But now they're moving on to the side roads, and that's where they're still seeing a little bit of difficulty. So the main arteries looking pretty good. If you're going down any side streets, I would definitely use some caution. Now, this is because the crews have been pre-treating these roads for about a few days now, since Saturday. That's what the highway administrator of the state tells us. 2/3 of the state's snow fleet has actually been out and about for several days now. Here in Worcester, we've seen several plow trucks, people shoveling their sidewalks, and to make room for these crews, the city has asked that everybody stay off the roads, and they have enacted a winter parking ban on all major arteries throughout the city. So any trash and recycling pickup, that's going to be canceled. Any street parking, that's not allowed. They're really focusing on those cleanup efforts, getting those plow trucks and salt trucks through the city. We spoke with some Worcester residents, of course, people very excited about the snow, looking forward to this MLK Day, have the day off, maybe have a snowball fight. Other people, not so much.
Anytime when it's snowing or raining, I don't like it.
We're used to it, so we're definitely accustomed to it, but it doesn't mean that you still have to, not be smart when it comes up.
I do like to know. And I want to play snowballs with my mom.
Okay, so if we're playing snowballs with mom, I have to say that this really isn't the best snowball weather. I would say it's more of a snow angel type of a weather, but definitely a day for a lot of fun. Great thing that there's little school, no work today for a lot of people. So just, I would say, hunker down, stay inside, especially stay off the roads if you can. We're live in Worcester. I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.
All right, Penny.